This video is a follow-up to one that I did earlier where I'm explaining how I'm currently not able to duplicate, using my cell phone, duplicate a page in Notion. So here from this view, if I go into one of the days on my calendar and type in this class case, right, this looks like a page, but if I swipe right, it's not actually a page, or it doesn't appear as a page in this swipe right menu, right? So again, if I go back, this LNS1 content, this is a page. And if I click on the ellipsis here, well, it doesn't even give me an option to duplicate there. But again, what I'm wanting to do is just simply go into a day here. I've got several entries. If I'm on a PC and I right click here from the PC, I'm given an option to duplicate these. But from the phone, I don't see a way of doing that. So again, just want to clarify that. And if this is a feature that could be added in future iterations of Notion, that would be great.